Kavan's having fight. Kavan's
Every time you switch on, you check.
He was bad, man.
Today I woke up with my tummy growling, hungry for food. But not just any food, I was craving the Big Man Bowl. I haven't eaten this in a week. You guys eat regular oatmeal. I eat the goat meal. I did make one change to it though. I did not add any nuts or seeds because I'm trying to compensate for the calories that I ate in Delhi. It shouldn't take me too long to recover from the damage that I did in Delhi. I didn't overeat that much also. Done with breakfast, bobbies. I'm now completing some steps in my studio. I have a lot of work to catch up on. I need to do some exercise reviews, some client check-ins. I need to onboard a couple of clients as well. So today is going to be a pretty hectic day. And once I finish all of this, I'll go hit the gym as well. Today I'm going to be training push and arms. Yeah, push and arms. You guys must be thinking that all I do is train push, right? It's because I am prioritizing push musculature in this training block. I just finished up some client check-ins and spent the last 10 minutes creating this Google form. Now I'm looking for content writers for my main channel, my main YouTube channel, which is mostly fat loss and nutrition specific. So if you are interested in topics such as weight loss, nutrition, mindset, habits and psychology, or if you know somebody who's interested in these topics and would like to script for me in OK Mohit tone and structure, then please share the Google form which is linked in the description box. Now let's do our post-workout meal. I have here some dal, chicken, rice and EV God. Alright, so I'm now going to Nishok's house because we want to watch the India-New Zealand match. India is performing very well in the T20 series, so we decided why not sit together and watch. I also have a piece of Gajar Pak here, which I'm eating on the way to his house. Yummy Gajar Pak, but not so yummy Bangalore traffic. Bro, this is not even the main road. This is like some gully road. Are you seeing the traffic? Yeah. This is the only problem while going to Nishok's house. If I get onto the main road, I'll get stuck forever. If I stay in the gully roads, also I'll be stuck forever. Distance traveled is not much, but time taken is a lot. The only reason I took my car out is because raat ko aate time thand ho jayegi yaar. Okay, finally made it to Nishok's apartment. I'm supposed to wait for him at these cricket nets. We might just play cricket now, bro, because I have a bat and ball in my car.
Hi guys.
Kavan's here, bobbies. And meet Archit.
Hello.
Archit's repping that PES t-shirt. I went to the same university as him, guys.
Okay, Mohit and all doesn't have degrees.
I have degree. Archit, go see. You will see my name written in electrical department.
Really?
Yeah. Best outgoing student, electrical department. Batch of 23. Go see, bro.
Guess what Kavan just did? He dropped Nishok's house key into this gutter.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here. Luckily, guys, it doesn't flow.
Sure.
It's right here, bro. I can see it.
I don't know if my audience wants to see gutter, but
Guess what happened? Heavy lapse has happened. Guess what happened? Come here. Kavan dropped your keys in this hole.
It's right here.
Alright, bobbies, we're taking out this block now.
Start, Tika.
Pass. Clean this duck. It's okay. We'll learn. No more juggling with keys, Kavan. Okay, let's play cricket. Say what?
Mohit getting fucked today, guys. Too much he spoke.
Now the scene is, Kavan wants to take revenge because I was making fun of him for losing the keys. Audrey. It's odd. Choose to bat.
Monu Kumar hits it for 1 run. Hey, you are listening to BREs and all.
Done with cricket, bobbies.
Yeah, this cricket session.
This was the last time we played cricket here in Nishok's apartment. And it was filled with drama, to say the least. Started with the...
Guys, Kavan and Mohit went at each other. They were fighting. You guys are fighting.
Does it look like we would fight, guys? It's just that...
Yeah, I guess who fucking made the truth. I'll give him a kiss, sir.
But yeah, it was pretty intense, okay? I'll put some clips you guys can watch.
Bro, but that level of fighting, bro.
Everyone knows when you play with your boys, somebody will fight.
Yeah. But this was like so heated. It was heated.
Okay, what are we doing? Yeah, what are we doing? Food. Yeah, let's go.
I've been hungry from the time I dropped the keys. From the
bro,
time I dropped the keys.
He's like, I'm so hungry, I want to go eat. And he dropped the keys.
We are at Nishok's house and this is... Hey! Luna, come here.
Peter, hey! Don't pee. No.
Gopi. What is this?
Cadbury Choco Big.
For her, huh?
Oh, you want?
Oh, for me. Oh, okay.
Cadbury Choco Bakes. I've never had this.
Dark fantasy.
Oh, it's like dark fantasy. We're now taking Luna for a walk. You want to buy something from the supermarket? Drink. What are you gonna get? I don't mind a warm Diet Coke.
It's the shittiest thing to do.
Yo, it's terrible.
Ass,
That-
Macha, any of like all of these are shit, bro. Just take
Expensive.
just take Diet Coke.
I don't want aerated, bro.
Come open your mouth, I'll give you a drink.
Then take banana and start squeezing it.
Alright, Bobbies, we've now come to Indiranagar. I drove to Indiranagar because we wanted to eat Aladdin.
I tried acting like I was sleeping.
Why would you try acting like you're sleeping?
I said, I'll fuck with the vlog.
Yeah, so we are in.
Kavin's having fight. Kavin's
Is
having
that
fight.
Kavin?
Having fight.
Fight, huh? Fight, huh? Come.
यार मारता है गुरु every time you switch on you check indicator.
Guys, things got out of hand real fast. I stepped out of the car and Kavin started swinging punches at the other guy. The other guy was abusing Kavin, so we had to step in and then I got into the fight. I am shouting in Kannada, the other guy is replying in Tamil. I didn't understand a word because I don't speak Tamil, so Hari had to step in. Hari speaks Tamil and he separated us. Guys, it was a bad fucking scene. But yeah, Kavin, all good?
Today's been a very rage baiting day, guys, but all good.
All good, right? Yeah, Kavin's had like a hectic day today, man.
Yeah, Kavin, you would have like got yourself injured, bro.
Yeah, luckily nothing happened to me either. Fucking I stepped in like it's my fight. But yeah, bro, if anybody fucking raises hand at you, it's literally my fight, bro.
Bro, but like Mohit, what's wrong with you? Why would you swing in that way, bro?
Bro, if fucking somebody punches Kavin, what, bro?
I get it, bro, but like whenever you can step away from a fight, just step away, bro.
You can't start swinging punches at my friend in my fucking area,
Don't
bro.
tell it was you working. He's not understanding, bro. He's like, why didn't you put indicator? I found out there and then it's not working.
Chalo, anyways, we'll go eat something now, bro. Chalo. Anyways, man, to cool down after the fight, we've come to Aladdin. We're getting Alishan.
Mouth is like full of water, bro. That's how hungry I am.
He's hungry, he's angry, he's everything. He's having a hectic day today, man. Eyes are red, yeah. At least he's getting good food. Bobbies, we're now going to Kentucky Dosa Corner to eat some more food. Guys, this was the only thing left at Kentucky, which was dosa and chili chicken. They are also fighting, huh? Today everywhere fight, bro. Hold on, Ishok.
Feed me also one time.
I'll feed you, wait, da. First bite for you only, da, Ishok. Did you forget you are my first baby, da?
It's like standard Nagarjuna type chili chicken.
But nothing like Vaishali boys.
Not for me.
Not for you? It is for you only, bro.
This looks good, bro. Malai tikka. Try.
Not a malai tikka guy,
I
but
just have a feeling it might be dry. I have a feeling.
It might be
Dry.
dry, yeah?
I just can like just see.
Oh, it does not look
It's
dry.
like since-
No, it does not look dry. Is it dry?
Is it?
Okay. We're playing catch now in front of Hari's house. Throda. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Bro, if you fall, it's bad for you.
Today only fights, bro. Show the fight again. Show us what happened.
See, okay. That dude basically he went this way, okay, and then Kavin did exactly that. Do. Yeah, and then he's like, hey, yaar jate ni mamman yaro ni no.
Hey, he shouted in Tamil, da. He shouted in Tamil.
Recreate again now. So he went like this. Hey, yaar ni mamma, hey, yaar.
Thank you.
I don't know.
Yeah, which one? This
Mine
This is yours, yeah.
mine is better.
This is mine. Which one's yours, Hari? That is yours, Hari.
What is this combo? One would have been sufficient for me.
One is not sufficient, bro. Come, we'll sit and eat, bro. Bobby's we eating ice cream in the car.
Guys, how many of you miss hello?
Hello. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Old intro. Show. Which video you're watching?
What a day it's been, bro.
Oh shit! Alright, Bobbies, we're now playing catch. Let's go.
DD, he's the D, bro.
Amul Butterfingers.
Butterfingers, guys. What do I say? Bobby's back to Nishok's apartment, dropping him off. Then I'm gonna drop Kavin off to his car. That's it for this vlog.
Bye, Bobbies.
Good thing Kavin is well and fine.
Yeah, bro.
He's had a hectic day today. See you guys in the next one.